Ali's journey to Medina. The inspiring journey of Ali alayhi salam and the Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam was lamb to Medina. In the 4th year of his mission, Allah instructed the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam to share the message of Islam with his kinsmen. To mark this momentous occasion, a grand feast for 40 people was hosted at the Prophet's house. After the meal, he proclaimed, "There is no God except Allah, and I am his chosen messenger. Whoever supports me will be my brother and successor." Amidst the silence, a courageous 10-year-old, Ali alayhi salam, stood up, declaring, "Go, Prophet of Allah, I will help you." This act of unwavering support led to the Holy Prophet declaring Ali as his brother, minister, and successor. Facing resistance from the people of Mecca, who resisted the call to worship one God and mocked Abu Talib for supporting the Prophet, both Abu Talib and his son Ali remained steadfast in their commitment. Despite the challenges, they continued to stand by the Holy Prophet, promoting unity and goodness. As opposition intensified, Allah guided the Prophet to leave Mecca, leading to the event known as Hijrat. The Quraysh planned to murder the Prophet, but divine intervention ensured his safety. On that fateful night, Ali slept in the Prophet's bed, safeguarding him from harm. The next morning, the disbelievers were shocked to find Ali in place of Muhammad, frustrating their sinister plans. Ali alayhi salam, entrusted with returning people's deposits, joined the Holy Prophet in Kuba, initiating a journey filled with hardships. Ali's barefoot trek through the hot desert sands showcased his resilience and dedication to his mission. The Prophet's prayers healed Ali's swollen and bleeding feet, reinforcing the divine protection surrounding them. Upon reaching Medina, the Prophet established brotherhood between the Ansar and Muhajir, designating Ali as his brother. In the spirit of unity, the Holy Prophet married his daughter, Sayyidah Fatimah Zahra S.A., to Ali alayhi salam in a simple ceremony in the 2nd year of Hijrah. Ali alayhi salam and Fatimah Zahra alayhi salam exemplified a harmonious partnership. They shared responsibilities, with Ali working hard to provide for his family while Fatima managed the household. Their deep love and respect for each other blossomed, resulting in the birth of 2 sons, Hasan and Hussain, and 2 daughters, Zainab and Kulsum. Despite the peaceful settlement in Medina, the Quraysh of Mecca continued armed attacks against the Muslims, testing the resilience and determination of Ali alayhi salam and the believers. Through their unwavering commitment and divine protection, they laid the foundation for a community that would become a beacon of light in the pages of history. Kindly subscribe to my channel and like videos, click the bell icon for more updates.